Hi, this is Amy with AC Ashworth & Company, and I just want to make a quick video today to show you some of the steps that we take when we're making our custom men's vests. AC Ashworth & Company is a custom tailoring shop. We're in McDaniels, Kentucky. I've drafted this pattern especially for the customer, and it is a wool mohair from Huddersfield, England. I don't have a little swatch to show you. Sometimes on the right side and the wrong side they're hard to tell apart. When I cut it, I'll put a pin. Oh, you can't see that. When I cut it, I'll put a pin on the right side. So when I go to fuse it, which I've already fused this with the interfacing because it's the best front. So that's the first thing I would do is I'd fuse it with really good high quality tailoring fusible interfacing. But yeah, like this, I don't want it to get mixed up with the right and the wrong sides. But what I have on this is a dart, and I have a welt pocket. I need to trace that off on the wrong side of the fabric. So I want to show you my favorite method of transferring darts. This is Saral paper. It's got a chalky side, and that chalky side needs to go where you want to mark. So I'm going to put this underneath my pattern. I've already registered the pattern back onto the fabric, and then I use this tracing wheel with that paper, and I just go ahead and put this dart in. Let me give you a tip. When I transfer darts, I always put a horizontal line at this tip, because when you're sewing it, it's easier to see that horizontal line so you know exactly where you need to start. And I do start I sew all my darts from the tip to the bottom, not the other way. There is much less distortion if you start up here. And that's, if you're trying to match a plaid or something like that, that's when you find out real quick that you don't want that to distort as you go down. I might get some comments on that. I know people do it every way. Some people swear by doing it from the bottom to the top. For me, this is how I do it. So I'm going to put in this welt pocket. This welt is slashed through the dart, so we need to mark this before we sew the dart. Let me show you how beautiful this is. It's Saral paper, S-A-R-A-L. Comes in a variety of colors, but all I've ever needed was white and red. Look at that. Very nice marking I have here. Looks like I missed one side of that dart, but or the welt pocket. Let me fix that. I'm looking at the edge of the paper, but it's a beautiful marking. Very easy to follow when you're going to sew it. And so that's one first step. And I will go through some other videos about how we do the welts, how we construct this vest. Vests are very simple to construct. It's a fun project if you're ready to jump into sewing. And we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's your favorite method of transferring markings from the pattern to the fabric.